We were way up there. Now it's time to go down. See how many times I slide on you guys. If you can do me, you can do this. You know what I'm saying? Hey bro, I caught up. I took a few pictures. No. But there's like a little box thing, but you can't get that close because it has wasp. I need new sneakers though, holy crap. Just... Where is she?
I gotta concentrate on walking.
Where is she?
Was there like one on the other end?
No, it's like a trail in the woods.
I wonder where the other. Barry told me where the other side comes north.
My ass slid.
Barry told
I'm good though.
me the one time where the other side comes to. We should look
I keep
that
sliding.
up. We should look that up one time. Where's the other side of the bridge come out too?
Yeah, I went up and I touched it, the other side, and I went up to where I could see the gate. Touched the gate and I just took pictures up there. Keep going. You know, so that way we can do the historic cemetery again. You know. Because now I'm curious, since I've been warned to be careful in the historic cemetery. Now I just want to go back. See? I slid down. I'd rather do that than freaking hurt my damn self, you know?
Just want to see where the other side.
Now I'm getting freaking cold again. We go this way?
Barry told me the one time that I should do it.
Don't have nothing on my leggings, do I? I forget what it means. Those are the caterpillars that's like orange and black, and I guess it has to do with winter, but I forget how you figure it out.
I wonder how many people come down here doing that time.
I will never do this hike in winter.
No way.
I will go back where Dad's hunting spot is in Orange. I missed the hunter safety course though. But if I had internet, I can do it online. Say you bring your own computer to the library, you're unlimited time then. You don't have a time frame, so maybe I'll start studying and get ready for next year, you know? You're still gonna have to kind of go faster because I can't really walk slow. It's easier for me to go faster. You still good? I got water if you need it too. I can officially say I made it all the way, bro. For the first time. No worries, I'll still be at Yoga Tuesday too. It's just mud. Nothing that can't be wiped off, you know? Deal with mud when you're going in the woods in November. Why not now? Oh, lordy. There was a kid up there talking to me, bro. Like a little redhead boy. He's like, wouldn't it be nice if they gave you ice cream on the other side or some kind of reward for doing it? I was like, adult. I mean, I couldn't say that about the adults getting beer, but I was like, yeah, ice cream would be good. Water. You know, but you're probably supposed to bring your own water. Does this bird move? That's so cool. Ready for the hard part now? Just take your time and just take breaths through it all like you do in yoga. You know? Sorry, bro. Really far away from it to get down there.
We're going up the easy way.
Okay. Little one. You got your inhaler now? Need a drink? Here we go. Bro, could you do me a favor and put that back on the side? Thanks. That leaf just hit me.
Yeah. Yeah, bye.
What'd she say?
Oh, Jesus, sorry. Yeah. Jordan Hamlin and Keene Townships. Keene Town. Along State Route. Just east of the Allegheny. So it's probably from down to PA somewhere. That is cool.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Bro, I need a break.